Hello, my name is Lucas Gaves. I am a nutrition and dietetics intern with Garden to Table Nutrition. Today we're going to be harvesting some rose petals to make some tea later on. Come check it out. Wow, I love these roses for their smell, and that's gonna go perfect with this tea that we're about to make. All you gotta do is grab it like this and tug on it just lightly. That's it. It should be enough for some tea. Now we're gonna go wash this. Alright, now they're all washed, the next step is to take them to the dehydrator. Here I have an Excalibur dehydrator. In my opinion, it's the best in the market. But to do this, you don't really need a dehydrator. You can always dry it up naturally in the sun. Here on this dehydrator, we can choose how long we want it to dehydrate for and the temperature. So we're gonna do it for about 12 hours. It's really would take less than that, but just to be safe. And it'll be at about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it for now. Now we wait, and after that, we'll make some tea. Alright, now it's done dehydrating. Let's see how it looks. Perfect, that's just what we want to see. I have this here to make tea. If you don't have this, you can simply use a pot and then strain out the rose petals after you're done making it. So we're gonna fill this up with the flowers. Once the kettle starts whistling, you know you're ready to go. So slowly pour it in there. So now that it's poured, you can see that the water is a hint of yellow. And we're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then pour it into the cups. So after having the rose petals steep in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes, it's ready to be poured. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Now I'm gonna enjoy this tea. Cheers. It's really good.